Hello friends, today we'll be taking a look at the Poetic Samsung A35 case. So as you can see, this product comes in a very nice box, and this product comes in two varieties. One without a screen protector, as is shown here, and one with screen protector, as shown here. So as you can see, here's the case. It comes in a very nice blue on the sides, and the back is transparent, so you can see your phone's color. So here's the screen protector. As you can see, if you peel off a sticker, you'll have your fingerprint sensor. And here's the case. So right now, I'm going to be putting the Samsung A35 into there. And as you can see, the case fits very snugly onto the phone. So with the case, the phone works perfectly fine. And as you can see over here, here's the camera protector, as you can slide off. And it also doubles as a stand. So with the horizontal, you can watch videos and movies pretty nice. And as you can see over here, the thing is magnetic, so it's easily attachable and detachable. So you can see the case doesn't block any cameras, and it also protects your charging port from any dust and debris. There's also some texture over there, so you can easily grip the phone.